Okay, today we talked about writing and reading mixed numbers, and tonight we're going to learn how to put those orders in number, or those numbers in order. One of the things that we're going to do is still use these fraction bars. You will get another sheet of them so that you can cut them out, because I think that's going to be easier for you. But for tonight, you can see how I do it on the smartboard. So I'm going to put some mixed numbers on the board, and we're going to see how the fractions bars show us that they're in order. Right? So the numbers I want to put in order is going to be 8 3/4, 7 3/10, and 8 1/2. Okay, first thing I can do is look at my whole numbers. If I'm going to from least to greatest, I'm going to look at my whole numbers first. Obviously, my smallest number is going to be my 7 3/10. Doesn't matter what the fraction part is, my whole number here is less than the other two. So that's going to be my first one. Now I got to figure out between 8 3/4 and 8 1/2. So in order to do that, I'm going to pay attention to just the fraction part of it, because 8 and 8 are the same thing. So I'm going to pay attention to just the fraction part of it. Now I can go 3/4, which is going to be 1, 2, and 3, and then 1/2. Okay, which one's the smaller one? Smaller one is going to be 1/2. So my smaller number is going to be 8 1/2. And then 8 3/4. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, so let's try another one. I've got 4 1/6, 3 2/3, and 4 3/4. Alright, so first thing I'm going to look at is my whole numbers. Okay, 3 is my smallest whole number, so that's going to automatically be my smallest mixed number. Then I'm going to take a look at my fraction part of it. Since 4 and 4 are the same, I will look at the fractions. 1/6 and 3/4. I can use my fraction bars to see which one's the biggest, though I know 3/4 is going to be bigger, because 1/4 is bigger than 1/6 already. And I can see that 1/6 is the smaller number, so it's going to be 4 1/6, and then 4 3/4. Okay? Let's clear this screen and we'll do one more problem together. Alright, my next set of numbers are going to be a little different. I'm going to have 5 1/4, 6 3/8, and 5 1/12. Oh, I guess it's not going to be a little different. I thought they all had different numbers. My bad. Okay, again, whole numbers. Okay, I got 2 5.5 and 1 6. So my 6 is going to be the bigger number. So I could put that over here if I wanted to. Now let's find out between the two 5s which one is smaller and which one's bigger. Okay, looking at my chart right here, I can see that if I had a 12th here, it'd be a lot smaller than a 10th. It'd probably be like this big. Okay, and then my 4th is right here. I can see without even pulling it away that 1/4 is going to be bigger. But just for the sake of it, we'll put it next to that, and voila, the 4th is bigger. So it's going to be 5 1/12, and then 5 1/4. Okay, let's just do one more with the same whole number. Let's assume that the whole number is the same. Alright, so let's go with 3 3/4, 3 2/5, and 3 1/2. Okay, so I have the same whole number here, and here. So now I'm only going to deal with just the fraction part of it. Just like I would like we did last week with ordering fractions by themselves. Okay, I'm going to figure out 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 2/5. 1, 2, and 1/2. Okay, so it's obvious to me that the 2/5 is going to be the smallest. Then my half, so 3 and 1/2, and then my 3/4, 3 and 3/4. All right, let's take a look at our homework. Okay, let's make this bigger. All right, taking a look at this, we're going to use greater than or less than. Okay, by this I can see 1 and 3/5. So this is 1 and 3/5. And this is 1 and 3/4. Okay, using my fraction bars, which I wish I had on here so that you can see it, I would be able to see that 1 and 3/4 is the bigger number. Alright, so you'll need your fraction bars for these. You can look at the number line right here on number 3. 3 1/2, so we have 3 1/2, which is right here, and 3 2/4, which is right here, are on the exact same line, so those are equal. Alright, so ordering the mixed numbers from least to greatest, just to give you some hints, because I don't have my fraction bars with me. On number 5, these are all same numbers. So all I'm going to do is figure out which my equal ones are. Don't forget you're doing from least to greatest. For number 4, this is my biggest number, so then I got to figure out between the 2 2's. 2 2's like a ballerina. Alright, I think you guys can do this without me. I'm confident that you guys can take this on by yourself. Alright, so WSQ. Write your summary. And do your practice book page 16.6. Alright, have a good night.